So vacationing is a little different these days, right? So we spent all week making up our Walmart pickup order, and we spent all week making up our Amazon list, and it all arrived today.
It's like Christmas.
It's like Christmas.
So, in the first box, there were how many items in the order? I think there were like
15.
Yeah.
So it can't be all of it. For the next vacation, underwear for the kids because...
He's potty trained now.
Yay! My next book club book for this Thursday. So
what is it?
We're doing Searching for Sunday.
What is that about?
Loving, Leaving, and Finding the Church. For my oils, so because some are sun sensitive, so here's a sun stamp to add a sticker. Shoes, we had water shoes.
Pull those out, they look bizarre.
We had water shoes for the kiddos, and they left intense blisters on the kiddos. And so I have a pair of these. They look kind of funky, like duck feet, but I saw like something on a mom's blog. They have over 12,000, 4-star and up reviews. They work good for the purpose. The ones with the straps my kids have left incredible blisters. First of all, they left blisters from walking through the water park. And then when we made them wear the shoes because of those blisters, they got blisters from the shoes. So I'm hoping this neoprene will solve that problem. So we got them some water shoes for our next vacation. Then a cooler bag because we had a gigantic cooler bag meant for groceries that we were lugging to and from the pool, which worked perfect for an in-state vacation. But I wanted something smaller.
Yeah. Is it going to fold down that well after we use it?
Supposed to. We'll see.
All right.
Here's the other set of shoes. I get so disappointed.
First ones are pineapple. What are these? Are they...
Camo. I get so disappointed. Little boy stuff is so not that cute.
That's not camouflage unless you're in the circus.
Whatever. It only had this or pink. Like I said, little boys had nothing cute. They
this
had like
would not hide you anywhere except for in a group of clowns.
They had dinky little whales that looked like girls' prints. They weren't even like boy-looking whales. And we'll try them on later and see.
And I'm guessing this is what required the large...
Yeah, and this is
box.
our frame for my anniversary poster. So excited. These are my oils. So into my oils. So my new diffuser, Desert Mist Gold, which was almost complimentary because the deal was more for the oils.
And it lights up? There's a light button?
Yeah, it has
interesting
different lights. The main part of it was the oils. So these are my go-to Peace and Calming and Valor.
And
the complimentary diffuser.
What is in those? I'm guessing something relaxing.
Tangerine, orange peel, Ling Ling. Yeah, patchouli oil, blue TNZ.
What's patchouli? I've heard that before.
I have heard it before. I recognize it by smell. But it's a very calming. These are used a lot in my sleep
I may have
rollers.
been thinking of peyote, which is different. I think that's
And this one has black spruce, blue tansy, frankincense, geranium, some others.
More packages today. Why is it wrapped like that?
Because it's pharmaceutical, I guess. Well, it's jellies, so it doesn't have to be refrigerated. But it does need to be not melty.
Okay.
Ew. We need to wipe that off. Anyways, multivitamins for the kids.
Was that all that was in there?
Yes.
They got all gooey? They spend a whole ice pack on that?
Right, and I compared the price with Walmart, and it was cheaper to get it there.
Doesn't seem cost effective.
Ew. Well. Oh, that's my watch band. I painted my nails for my watch band on my first vacation to match, and I wanted to paint them coral for the next vacation.
I think I know what's in this one. Again, this was a Kickstarter that I did not remember Kickstarter.
And then the next step always goes, okay, if I kickstarted, I remember kickstarting it, but I didn't remember kickstarting the expansion. There's no way I kickstarted the expansion.
That's exactly
and
what
then
this
this is the second one where the expansions arrived too.
What is that? Replacement cards. I knew that they had some printing errors. Evidently, they had a lot of printing errors in the first one. These are just the replacement cards, which I guess I knew that I was getting the replacement cards because they had to do that to everybody because I guess the original cards, I don't know if there was something wrong with them. And then the expansion. That was a lot.
It was heavy. So got more coming.
Oh, you got the undies? I don't think they're gonna fit me. These are robots.
Oh.
Why would they not send us our ice packs already frozen with our gummies?
And I did order them on the same order.
That seems kind of weird.
That's okay, because I'm packing those unfrozen, but...
Oh, okay. Here, can I put
Here,
these
can you...
in? What is this?
Bungee cords. Helps me on road trips to keep...
Am I allowed to pack the car for road trips?
No, she is not allowed to touch the car for a road trip. And with a dog in the back, I have to bungee cord our stuff to one side of the car because one point on the windy roads in Texas, I would double stack them, the packages or the luggage, and it would fall on the dog. So, a pillbox for traveling.
And it's my shark shirt.
It will soon turn into your baby shark shirt.
Why? What does that mean?
Just looks like the baby sharks.
Yeah. I was pretty excited for this for Hawaii. Shorts. That'll go with the shark shirt.
Very cool.
That's everything for right now. We may have more. We're not sure yet. Alright, so it's just me today, but we're going to be opening up the last of our week of Amazon packages. I don't think we're going to do this every week, but this week we just knew we were having a whole lot coming. So, on to that. To save time, I am not going to open up all these packages and rip through them. Instead, I'm going to let Magic do it. These are command strips. I don't know if you guys use these to hang pictures, but prior to getting these, my loving wife would put about 5 or 6 nail holes behind all of the pictures in her house. And we found out about these, and now luckily my walls are a little bit safer. Next up, this is a shirt for me. I was pretty excited to get. I saw it on Amazon. And it is a Toy Story shirt. Unfortunately, it does not have Forky on it, but pretty excited. Alright, next we have this box. Turns into a much littler box. These are extra batteries for my GoPro. GoPro 7's batteries last probably at most a half hour filming, if that. So I needed some extras because we're taking a trip to Hawaii. And I know we're going to be doing some water stuff, so I want to make sure I had plenty of batteries that I can use for that. Let's see if Magic can open it again. Alrighty. This box was a twofer. This is actually a Christmas present, and yes, this is being recorded in the last week of June, but I got Ugg slippers for Christmas, which from Zappos from my parents, which I just don't really ever have a need to wear slippers. So I was able to instead get a belt, nice little reversible belt, and a new pair of shoes. Don't know if you guys can see these. They're gonna work. I think that's gonna be it for our unboxing for the week. We probably will not do this very often because I get that that's really boring seeing what other people are getting, other people's stuff, unless I know something fun is coming. But there's a lot more practical items, not many fun like games, toys, random cool stuff that's really interesting, but it's all stuff that we need. So we just thought we'd share with you guys what we typically are buying from Amazon in a week. Comment below if you guys buy some of the same things or something else that you've been getting recently from Amazon that's just something you can't live without. Thanks.
adding to earlier, I got the frame set up on this really cool poster. So a nice saying for our anniversary from my husband here. The weird thing about it is either 2 inches short on the side or 2 inches short on the top from the standard frame size. So I had a really hard time finding a frame in the store. So I ordered this one off Amazon. It's awesome because you just order it by the width, and it's magnetic. So
Okay, I was going to say, is that magnets? I didn't see.
So we did the magnet to put it on, and then you're able to frame these weird sizes. But it looks pretty cool, so I'm pretty impressed with this and can't wait to hang it up. So there you go.